This evening, fiery protests continued in Hayes, Clarendon for a second day as a third victim of Saturday's controversial motor vehicle crash succumbed to his injuries. This as residents dispute the police's version of the incident. Our reporter, Dwayne Anderson, has been tracking this story and has more in this primetime news follow-up.
News of Devontae Johnson's death sparked a second day of unrest in Hayes, Clarendon. The 17-year-old Vere Technical High School student succumbed to his injuries on Monday. Devontae is the third young man to die from Saturday's incident, and his family is heartbroken.
In go bed, and I said, and go put on full to tack a whitish coat. And we are going to come back in our yard. And he said, "We soon come, Mama, we soon come." And when we die, he said, "Then crash." I love him so much, man. And he love working himself. And we poor, we not rich. And I bury my husband, bury my daughter, then bury my husband. This November I come 5 years. And now again they come back to take him. But I feel I can't take him. I feel very much my grandson. And I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it.
Police report that the young men sustained injuries in a crash and eventually died. But residents have been told otherwise and are accusing the police of improper conduct in their deaths. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is probing to determine if this is so.
A full forensic examination of the incident scene was conducted to include the processing of this same Nissan AD wagon. Some occupants of the vehicle were swagged for gunshot residue. And as far as our investigations is concerned, there are no weapons that were reported to have been recovered from this incident. All medical reports, to include post-mortem examinations and records of injuries from hospital and doctors and so forth, will be assessed to determine the nature and possible cause of the injuries sustained by the 9 occupants of the vehicle. Witness statements were recorded from 2 of the survivors so far of the motor car, in which they would have given us an account of what transpired.
But even as investigations are ongoing, residents are still on edge.
So I'm out here to talk to the officers and find out what they are going to do for the people in Tapil, because the people in Tapil are paranoid right now and we need some counseling. We want justice and plus we need counseling.
Order was restored to the community on Monday after the placard-bearing residents clashed with the security forces. Military and police personnel have taken up positions in the community. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.